Hi,
Hey,
everyone.
everybody. Welcome and
Yay.
welcome back.
Yes.
Pam and I are so excited.
I have no words and I'm never speechless.
You guys have heard us talk about Sarah and Trevor, and we are here today to introduce them.
Yes. Yes. You've met Sarah. If you've been watching our videos, you've met Sarah a couple of times. So this is Sarah. And then Trevor, you have not met yet. And here he is. So excited.
Hello,
So
everybody.
exciting.
They have been through our programs. They've been with us for a while. They are practitioners with TCS. They are practitioners, and we could not be more excited. So we just wanted to jump on here with them. They have some things to discuss with everyone, and they're going to get to that.
Exciting things.
Yes. But Mari-Lyn and I wanted
won't
to
spill the
just...
beans, but
Yes, don't. They already. I think everyone knows because I've spilled the beans in other videos. So we just wanted to get on here and just introduce them and then let them talk. We are so excited and honored.
So excited. You guys are going to take the world by storm.
Absolutely. Without a doubt. Without a doubt. And we would not have them here if we didn't feel they were ready, and they're more than ready to do this. So anyway,
yes,
proud teacher. Both of us.
Very proud, very excited, and honored. Honored that you
We're
guys
very honored as well. Thank you.
Yeah, I know we're both excited.
All in.
All right. Well, I think Mari-Lyn, you and I can just peace out now. And
I think so.
Let them take over. This is we are Mari-Lyn and I will still be doing videos, but welcome to the new face of TCS. Faces of TCS.
New faces.
Yes, please welcome them in, everyone. Leave comments welcoming them and showing your excitement.
Oh, because you're going to be excited. Trust me.
So excited. Yes.
You're going to be excited.
Yes. All right.
Well, thank you guys. We're very honored. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you so much. It's so exciting.
All right.
Okay.
Bye, everybody. Till next time.
Till next time.
Say, I'm Trevor, everybody.
Hi, I'm Sarah. You may have seen me before once or twice.
See, we are practitioners now of TCS Everyday Psychics. We have both been through the TCS student program, and we found Pam and Mari-Lyn on YouTube. I remember the day that I said, I really want a teacher. I'm ready to find my teacher. And then I went home that day, went on YouTube, and the first video that popped up was Pam and Mari-Lyn's.
Yeah, similarly, I didn't even think about having a teacher, but I found them on YouTube. I binge watched all the videos, as I'm sure a lot of people have done. And I was just blown away by their talent. And so I wanted just to talk to them, and I emailed them, and it just turned into becoming a student. And it was really wonderful. It was just life-changing.
And Sarah and I are both full practitioners on the website, so we do offer quite a few things on there if you'd like to check us both out on the TCS Everyday Psychics website.
Definitely. We also are, I'm leading the paranormal team. Trevor's my partner. We are going to we offer the same services as Pam and Mari-Lyn offer with the paranormal stuff. If you want to go on the website, that's there too. It's free. We don't want anybody to have to live with activity in their home. It's so unhealthy. So if you go to the website and fill out that form, if you have any kind of paranormal issues you want solved, Pam or Mari-Lyn or Trevor or I will get on that. So
absolutely. And
yeah,
whoever's experiencing paranormal activity, please reach out. You do not have to be on a recording if you don't want to. You do not have to be on the channel. So that is available as well.
Yep. And Okay, do you have anything else, Trevor? Should we move on to the big announcement?
I don't. Let's tell them what we're bringing back.
Okay, so I know, like the two of us, many people were at first, loving TCS because of the ghost POV videos. And I'm sure you also know, if you've been here a while, that Pam Mari-Lyn at one point decided that they just could not do those anymore. It was just a combination of factors. They were getting annoyed with the ghost hunters, and they just wanted to bring the other parts and the other aspects of TCS to the channel. So they stopped doing the ghost POV videos. However, now that Trevor and I have joined Pam and Mari-Lyn, they have asked if we would bring back the ghost POV videos, and we are thrilled to do so. I love those.
Me too. I cannot wait. It's going to be so exciting. I know Sarah and I we want to do Sam and Colby, some Mackie and Amanda.
Mhm.
And
Also some more obscure ones maybe, but we have all kinds of ideas. And if you guys have any videos or channels that you want us to react to for a ghost POV video, please put it in the comments under this video, because we're looking for one to do for our very first ghost POV video. And I guess we should maybe explain what ghost POV is for people who haven't been here
yes,
that long.
that sounds lovely.
Okay.
So the oh, sorry, Sarah.
Oh, sorry, you go right. Go
Okay.
right ahead. Go
So
right ahead.
the ghost POV is us as psychics and mediums, watching, reacting to different paranormal videos that are out there on YouTube, different paranormal clips, and telling you what is there from two experienced mediums, healers,
Yeah.
psychics, whatever you would like to call us.
I think that Pam calls it multidimensional
Yes.
psychic mediums. And yeah, we are gonna watch what the ghost hunters do, and watch different videos, and talk about maybe things that they in the channel might not be aware of, and point out some more interesting stuff and see if they have anything right, which sometimes they do. And yeah, it's gonna be very exciting. I can't wait.
Me neither. We've got a lot of fun things coming down, and we are also going to be doing some clearings on the channel as well, so look out for those. We're excited to do those.
Yep. And once again, if you want that, reach out on the website, and either Pam and Mari-Lyn or Trevor and I will get on that for sure. But yeah, so we just wanted to make that little announcement. Thank you once again to Pam and Mari-Lyn. We're so honored and thankful to be on the channel. And they've both been just wonderful teachers. Could not ask for better teachers.
Oh my goodness, no. Highly recommend. If you are someone who is spiritual in any sort of way and you're really looking to expand your gifts, learn about them, Pam and
Check out the
Mari-Lyn are the way to
services.
go.
Yeah, absolutely. Because yeah, you might find something that sparks your interest or reaches out to you on the website. But yeah, it's just been a wonderful journey to get here, and we've learned so much. I feel like a year, 2 years ago, I couldn't even imagine being here. So we are just excited and thankful and just so honored to be here. And so just once again, any ideas, any suggestions for the ghost POV videos, please put them down below. We have a couple that we have ideas for, but we're going to be doing them probably every 2 weeks on this channel. And then Pam and Mari-Lyn will be the other two every other week. So we're going to need a lot. So
Yes.
anything you want us to react to, please put it in the comments.
And put the name of the channel and the name of the video in the comments as well for anything that you guys want us to react to.
Yeah, absolutely. And I will say, Trevor, I am honored to be your partner on the paranormal team and on the channel. It's very exciting.
Yes, I'm honored to be yours. I am so excited. We are going to take the paranormal world by storm, as Pam and Mari-Lyn said.
Yeah, that's what they said. It must be true. So yeah, so we just wanted to come on here, introduce ourselves, say hey. and you will be seeing us. We'll be back in a couple of weeks with our first Ghost POV video. So get excited.
Alrighty, that'll be it for us. Anything
right,
else we
well-
want to add, Sarah?
I don't think so. I think we covered
Okay.
everything.
Perfect. Well, thank you, everybody. TCS subscribers, thank you so much for welcoming us. We hope we make a good impression.
Yeah, and yeah, we'll be back in a couple weeks. We're very excited.
All right. Thanks. Bye, everybody.
All right, bye everybody.